Hey everybody, today we're gonna change the rear brakes and rotors on 2018 Toyota Camry. So the tools you need for that: 14 mm socket and the wrench, 17 mm socket, grip plier, anti-seize, and the silicone paste grease. One small hammer, WD-40, and the brake cleaner. So that's it. Let's start it. So put the jack on. You're gonna put the jack on that groove. You see the edge right there. Okay, let's lift the car up. Don't lift it all the way up, just make it snug in there, and then we gotta lose the wheel. Okay, so after this we can lift the car. And this is clear, you can see. So let's take out the okay, the nugs are removed, all of them, but the wheel is not coming loose. So sometimes you gotta give it a kick. You see? That's it. So after removing the tire, we're gonna slide it under the car. We gotta open this 14 mm bolt, this one, and this is the second one. Before we do that, I'm gonna put my screwdriver here and give it a squeeze so the caliper get loose. You see that? This is what you want to do. Okay, this looks good. So let's open the 14 mm for the caliper bolt. Okay. I'm gonna put it here. Before you do that, you gotta spray the WD-40 here. Because so 17 mm socket for caliper bracket. I'm gonna open it with the wrench. So I'm gonna use this and this hammer to help. As you can see, it's turning now. So these are the bolts we're trying to open for the caliper bolt. The bracket. See, one is right there. And this is the second one. You see all this rust? This is why the rotor don't want to come loose. So for the rear rotors, you see this rubber clip. Don't forget to remove it. You need it to adjust the emergency brakes or the parking brakes. See, this is the one. Just cleaned it with the brake cleaner. And the housing, not the brake pads, the housing, I'm just gonna loop it with the WD-40 because this thing prevents the rust, so it's good to spray it while it's open. I'm gonna put this anti-seize around the rust area, so in future I hope you don't get rust around here. Give it a good clean. And also clean the inside too. Don't forget this rubber boot. It don't come with the new rotors. You gotta use the previous one. That thing goes here, just like that. You put the axis It looks good now. The top one is okay. Clean with the brake cleaner. I like to lube this area so the brake can travel freely. Take up the new pads. Remove the old housing. Put it back to the new ones. And the new sensor, the brake sensor also. Just like that. Just like that. Okay. Now let's push the caliper back. That looks good. Give it a good clean. Like that. After loop the caliper, put it away the way you took it out. Just like that. It's easy. Same bolts, 14 mm. Top goes first. And then the bottom. Time for final torque. job done. Don't forget to pump the brakes. That's it.